Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, nursery. How are you all? I'm also fine. Alhamdulillah. Today we are learning about community helpers. So, what are community helpers? First, I will tell you what is community. Community is a place where people live, work, and play. Okay, and community helper means they are the people in your community that help others. Community helpers are the people in your community that help others. Now today we will discuss some community helpers and we will see that they start from which sound. What is their initial sound? So are you ready, nursery? It's going to be fun. Okay, now here I have some cards. So let's see. The first one is, can you guess it? The person is having pizza, he's making something and he's wearing the hat. What is he called? He's a baker. Baker is a person who makes pizza, pastry, cakes for us. Yummy. Baker. Now, let's see. Who is he? Any guesses? Yes, this person is having scissors and a comb. Who is he? He's a barber. Barber. Okay, now the next one. Oh, this person is having a knife and he's cutting a chicken. Okay, now who is he? He's a butcher. Butcher. Butcher is a person who cuts meat and chicken for us. Okay, now let's see. Butcher, barber, baker. It starts from which sound, nursery? What is the initial sound? B, b. Yes, let's find from the sounds. B, b. Yes, here you go. B. Okay, very good, nursery. Now, let me put it over here. Okay, now the next one. Cobbler. Cobbler is a person who mend our shoes, who mend or make our shoes. Okay, cobbler. Now, the next one. Cashier. Cashier. Cashier is a person who collects money in any store. Okay. So, they start from which sound, nursery? Any guesses? K, k. Let's find out. Where are you? K, k. Here we go. It starts from k, k, k. Cashier, k. Cobbler. Very good, nursery. Now the next one. What is that? Who is he, nursery? Oh, now this person is called magician. Magician is the person who shows magic to us. See, he brings a rabbit in his hat through a magic. He is called magician. Now, magicians start from which sound? Magician. Okay. Good job, nursery. Now the next one. It's newscaster. Newscaster. A person who reads news for us is called newscaster. Now, newscaster start from which sound? Let's find out. Here we go. Newscaster. Okay. Now the next one. See, who is he? He is a potter. potter. Potter is a person who makes different pots for us. Potter. We'll put it over here. The next one. Who is he? He's a policeman. Policeman is a person who saves us from bad people. Policeman. Now, who is he? Any guesses? Can you guess the person? Yes, he's a pilot. A pilot is a person who is qualified to fly airplane. Okay. Now we have one more. Who is he? He's having a camera in his hand. He's a photographer. Photographer. So we will put it over here. Now we will see from which sound they all are starting. They are starting from sound P. 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 Okay. Good job, nursery. Now the next one. See, there's a woman and she's selling flowers. So she's called florist. Florist. Okay. Next one. This person is catching fish. A person who catch fish for us is called fisherman. Fisherman. And it starts from which sound? Good job, nursery. Now we are moving to the next ones. Who is he? He is a dentist. Dentist. Dentist is a person who makes our teeth healthy. Driver. A person who drives for us a car or bus or any vehicle. Driver. Driver. Now see, who is he? Doctor. Doctor. Doctor is a person who treats us when we are ill or sick. So now we will guess the initial sound of these community helpers. It starts from letter D. Which sound? D. See? D. Now the next one. See, the next one is engineer. Engineer is a person who makes building houses for us. Okay, engineer starts from E. 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 Engineer. Okay. Now see, nursery. There's a lady and what is she doing? She's giving a style. So what is this lady called? A person who gives different styles to our hair is called hairstylist. Hairstylist. Now hairstylist start from H. 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 Okay, now the next one. The next one is, see, we see astronaut. Astronaut is a person who is specially trained to travel into outer space. He is a person who is specially trained to travel into outer space. And it starts from which sound? A. Astronaut. Let's find out A, nursery. Where is A? A. Here we go. A. Astronaut. A. Astronaut. Now the next one. Carpenter. Carpenter, the one who cuts the wood and make wooden things for us, is called carpenter. The next one, conductor. Conductor, the person who collects tickets, is called conductor. And it starts from which sound? K, k, k. Let's find out. Where is k? Here we go. K, k, conductor. Now let's move to the next one. Look at this nursery. Who is he? He is a waiter. Who is waiter? A waiter is a person who serves food in restaurants. Waiter. Now waiter starts with which initial sound? Let us find. Woo. Woo. Waiter. Okay. Now another card I will show you. Who is he? Welder. Welder. Welder is a person who welds metal for us. Okay. It also starts with the same sound, that is woo. 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 Welder and woo. Waiter. Okay, nursery. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, who is he? Tailor. Tailor. Tailor is a person who sew clothes for us. Who sew clothes for us. Now, the next one. Teacher. Teacher. Teacher is a person who teaches us. Teaches us. Okay, now. Tailor, teacher. They start with which sound? What is the initial sound? T, t, t. Here we go. T, t. Teacher, t, t. Tailor. Good job, nursery. Now let's move to the next one. Who is he? Salesman. Salesman. Salesman is a person who sells things for us. Okay. Now salesman starts with which sound? S, s, s. Let's find s. Here you go. S. Salesman. That's all for today, nursery. I hope you like all the community helpers and the initial sound. Thank you.